To begin, we will prep the hazelnuts. We want them nice and chunky, so roughly chop them into small pieces using a knife. To prevent sinking, toss the chocolate chips and hazelnuts in a bowl. Give them a light spray with water. Then add flour and mix until coated. This flour acts like a glue, helping them cling to the batter and stay evenly distributed. In a mixing bowl, sift together the flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. This aerates the flour and helps break up any clumps for a smooth batter. To ensure the oven is nice and hot when the muffins are ready to be baked, preheat it to 220 degrees Celsius first. Mix the oil and the milk in a medium mixing bowl using a whisk until they are emulsified. Now to add some flavor and richness, add in eggs and followed by vanilla extract. For a touch of tang and extra moistness, swirl in the sour cream until just combined. To achieve a touch of sweetness and the irresistible depth of flavor, whisk in the caster sugar and light brown sugar until well incorporated. To ensure a light and fluffy crumb, sift the dry ingredients mixture into the wet mixture. Mix gently using a spatula until just combined. Now you can gently fold in the chopped hazelnuts and chocolate chips until just evenly distributed throughout the batter. Just like that. Here I have a 12-hole muffin pan and lined with these adorable bakery-style tulip muffin liners. For those gorgeous bakery-style muffin tops, fill the liners most of the way with batter using the ice cream scoop. This ensures consistent portions and gives the muffins enough room to rise and form a beautiful dome. To add the finishing touch and a burst of flavor, generously sprinkle the remaining chopped hazelnuts and chocolate chips on top of each muffin cup. Bake them at 220 degrees Celsius for a quick 5 minutes to kickstart their rise. Then lower the heat to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for another 13 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown, and bake through. Keep an eye on them. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick in the center. It should come out clean. When the muffins are still warm or you can comfortably handle them, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This allows air to circulate around the muffins, prevent them from getting soggy on the bottom. I'm so excited for you to try this recipe. These muffins are fluffy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. They are perfect for sharing with friends and family. Head over to the description box for the full recipe and let's get baking. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!